Hello dear ones, how are you? You all are fine? Okay, thank you. Welcome to eSuvidha. So students, today we will learn class 6 English. So students, what is the opposite word of unkind? The opposite word of unkind is kind. Now see this picture. This is the picture of an elephant. So today our topic is Mahagiri. The kind elephant. So students, now I will read the SCP-1. You listen to me carefully. Mahagiri was a big elephant. He was trained at a special school. He was bought by a merchant. The merchant made a lot of money by putting Mahagiri to work. The elephant was often sent to the forest to carry heavy logs of wood. Sometimes he carried people from one place to another. Once he even carried a bridegroom to the bride's house. At times, he was sent to a famous temple in a village nearby to lead the festival procession. So students, let's find out some new words from the SCP-1. Big is a new word. Then bought. Then bridegroom. Then famous. Then festival. Let's know how to remember these new words easily. Big, B-I-B-G, big. Now, but, B-O-U-B, at, G-S-T. Now, bridegroom, B-R-I-D-E, bride. Then groom, G-R-O-O-M. Now, famous, F-A-M, fam, us, O-U-S. Then festival, F-E-S-T-I, festi, then val, V-A-L, val. Let's clarify. Big means of great or considerable size. Bought means purchased. Past and past participle of buy. Now bridegroom, man on his wedding day. Now famous, having a widespread reputation. Now festival, a day or period of celebration, typically for religious regions. Not all these students. Let's clarify these new words more vividly. Big. This is the picture of a big animal. The elephant is a big animal. Now students, bought. This is a pen. I bought this pen from the market. Okay students, bought. Now students, bridegroom. This is the picture of a marriage ceremony. Here we call the boy as a bridegroom who is marrying the girl. He is the bridegroom, she is the bride. Understood, bridegroom? Now students, famous. This is the picture of famous Jagannath temple, which is located in Puri, Odisha. So students, now festival. Diwali, you know Diwali? Diwali is the festival of lights. You know Holi? Holi is the festival of colors. So students, understood? Let's do fill in the blanks with the missing letters. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with the missing letters to make a meaningful word. In A, B dash Z. In B, B dash ID dash G dash OOM. Now in C, F dash M dash US. Now in D, F dash I dash AL. So students, let's do. In A, B dash C, I will put I. The word is big, B-I-G, big. Now in B, first I will put R, then E, then R. The word is bridegroom, bridegroom. Now in C, first I will put A, then O. The word is famous, FAMOUS. Now in D, first I will put E, then T, then V. The word is festival, FESTIVAL. So students, note all this. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.